This is my other WEN bandsaw. I don't know if anybody knows, but I got ripped off buying these things on eBay. The seller ripped me off, and I got refunded, and I pretty much got ripped off in the best way possible because they sent me the wrong track and refunded me the whole damn thing. So I don't know if this is a refurbished one or what, but it appears the handle on this one's busted too. So they all must come standard busted. So yeah, okay. So what I'm gonna do is this right here. I'll show you this plate. I'm gonna probably round it out just a little on the bottom here. Round out the edges too. Basically round this out a little bit of an arch right here. See? I'll probably do some little arch there because there's an arch right here. I'm gonna round these edges out, and then I'm gonna make a little, probably an angled gusset in here. Thinking I might. I'll drill the holes, put it on here, and I'll make a mock-up. So that way it's on here and on here. Maybe a little short, I don't know. I'll figure it out. Anyway, so that's the first part. This is, what gauge steel is this again? Hold on, I'll show you. I think this is what, 1/8? Yeah, I think it's an 1/8. It's not, yeah, it's about 1/8 of an inch. So I'm gonna hop to this on the grinder, and I'll show you what I got next. Hello folks. See the little scratchy line in there? Instead of grinding it off and taking forever, I'm going to use this thing, and I'm going to just eat out of the way with the punch. So stay tuned. Well, if you keep watching, I'm going to show you this Whitney metal punch. It's actually Roper Whitney punch now. They changed the name, so keep watching. I'm going to show you. Hello folks. I got myself a little plate going here. And what I'm going to do is try to get it lined up just so it's not actually cutting into the plastic. And I'm going to go like this now. So I'm just going to try to, I don't even think this is lined up properly, but I'm going to try to line it up. Actually, I should find the center line first. Tape measure. Fancy marker. This is what, 3 inches, so 1.5, and that'd be a center line. That would be the center line, and this would be the center line, which if I have something to draw with. So right, there's the center. Drew a center line so I can get this lined up with the center of this thing. And hopefully get it kind of square. I think I might have to, I think the screw holes have to be right about on this line right here. Right about there. So I'll line this up right here. Right there, come on, there we go. Right about there. So now I got a rough line where the screw holes should go somewhere here. Wait, let me see if I get that. Screw hole should go somewhere over here or over here. So I'm going to measure that, and then I'll pop some holes and I'll see if I can mock it up real quick. So stay tuned. Hello folks. Just drilling me a small hole. And of course, I really need to clamp this to the table because, I don't know if I can do it without it. Okay, let's see. Will that fit in there? Sweet. I'll drill the next one. This is what drives me nuts. I put the smashed the pilot thing in there. The drill bit still went crooked. Freaking thing, drill bit. The drill glided over to the side a little. Pisses me off. That pisses me off when that happens. Let me get a file here so I can file this down real quick. 10 billion drawers here. All right, let's see. Get out of there. There you go. Yeah, that sucks. There we go. All this shit off of here. Let's test this out now. Let's test this out. It's probably going to be crooked because, like I said, the frickin' drill bit kind of slid over. But when I get a little good mock-up, I'll make a new one. No big deal. Put this like this here. Oop. Drop one. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Yeah. Probably should find the screws first. Yeah. There we go. There we go. One there. And one there. Yeah, look at that. Houston, we have liftoff. It actually might be spot on. Except a little bit of... might be a little bit digging in here. Might. You know what? Let me get back to you on this. Hello, Houston. I've ground this down about 8 times now, and I need to grind it again. So I will try this one more time. Can't find it, grind it, right? Hello, folks. I spared you the 15 times to the grinder, so I'm going to see if this works now. Because, you know, I'm sure you know I cheated a little and just was like, yeah, let's just get it perfect so it fits. Because why would I just keep making the same video 55 times, right? Because that's what I love doing. Well, anyway, this thing does appear to fit. So I'm going to go like this. Probably get the right Allen key first of all. I don't know what I unplugged inside the machine, but yeah, you know what? Who cares? So let's see. That's on there. Watch the machine blow up on me. That's on there. So now I have this totally out of whack square panel here. And see this right here? I don't know if you can hold on. I'll show it to you. Lift this up a little bit here. Come on. There we go. All right. See, what I got here is a nice mounting bracket. What I will probably do is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a plate to go right in here, just to lock in there. I'm going to cut probably a little paper template, and then I will get it to go in there, and I'll see how it fits, and probably lock it on there and just give it a little tack weld and finish it up. Basically, this is strong enough. I could put it on pretty much anything right now. I should hold it, shouldn't bend. Yeah, so anyway, that's the first part of the, what do you call it? What is this thing that come? Of course, all the cables get stuck here. See this? See? It's a metal plate mount right to it. Didn't break anything yet. The only thing that was broken is both handles, which is pretty ridiculous. If I wanted to, I could just put the handle back on. My other option is I weld a pipe right through here, all the way down. Cut a hole out. That's the other option. It's about this high. Might just give it a little bit for the cord. If I put a little spacer in there, I could cut one of these pipes out here put it right over here, right over it. Leave a hole for the switch. Cut a hole out here, and just because what I want to do is these 2 bolt holes here. I want to just ka-chink, put it right on there. Probably work. So that's all I'm doing for tonight. I'm done. That plate is, it's about a pubic hair crooked because when I drilled the hole, the drill shifted. So at least now I know how far the holes are. I can make a new one. And I will cut out a cardboard mock-up to go around here. Little round square piece, and get that working good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you like it. For all the people who are still subscribed, you're awesome. Thank you very much. As the channel grows, hopefully my belly won't grow any worse. So, toodles, thanks a lot, and take care.